Devastated by flooding in 2016 and still on the road to recovery nearly 3 years later. There still remains confusion for flood victims.
And with a group insurance policy set to expire, flood victims who received FEMA money will soon have to buy their own. And sadly, some have already been spending hard-earned money for something that they already had. 13 News reporter Adrian Robbins has the story.
Not only did some people not know they've been covered by a federal flood insurance policy, but now they are finding out if they don't get their own policy, flood recovery in the future will look a lot different.
You're taking a chance. It could happen again next month. We don't know. You just never know when it's going to flood in West Virginia, but you know it is going to flood in West Virginia.
For almost 3 years, victims of the 2016 flood who received FEMA funding have been enrolled in a group flood insurance policy. But that policy is set to expire.
The time is now to go in and go ahead and get the estimates for the flood insurance to find out how much they're going to be paying and prepare for that.
If people do not get their own flood insurance, FEMA says they won't be there to help next time around.
They're not going to go to jail or anything like that, but they won't receive any more federal assistance if there were to be a flood next year.
But as Dave Knight, an insurance agent in Clendenin, has found, many people never knew they were being covered.
I know probably a couple people that went and bought a policy not knowing they had one paid for them for 3 years.
But finding out about the policy now is too little too late, according to the National Flood Insurance Program.
You know, I got clients that went and bought policies right after the flood that got assistance. So they were spending money that they didn't need to for 3 years. Am I correct?
And those policies can mean thousands of dollars.
That's my parents. My parents paid $1,000. Well, you know what they pay.
Exactly.
But according to the Department of Homeland Security and Emergency Management, it was all in the fine print.
They signed that dotted line and said, hey, I'll accept this payment or whatever. It says that in the paperwork that they are actually enrolled into a group flood insurance policy that lasts 3 years.
That's crazy, isn't it?
The group insurance plan will expire around the end of August, but West Virginia is urging people to begin looking for policies now because it can take time. Reporting in the studio, I'm Adrian Robbins, 13 News, working for you.